Hi everyone and welcome to the Mushroom Den. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fluffy vegan omelette. We're going to garnish this one with a creamy mushroom sauce. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So to make the omelette, we're going to need some tofu. Here I have some extra firm tofu and I'm going to squeeze out as much water as possible. Next, I'm going to weigh my tofu. I need about 6 ounces to make a large omelette. So here we have 1 pound, and we're just going to reduce it until we get to 6 ounces. So this is good enough. Next, we're going to chop it roughly just so it can fit in the blender. And off to the blender it goes, followed with some plant-based milk, some cornstarch, rice flour, nutritional yeast, a dash of turmeric, black salt to get some of that egg flavor, some pink Himalayan salt, cayenne pepper if you like it spicy, some black pepper, baking powder, and a bit of garlic powder. Blend everything for a few seconds until it gets completely smooth. Next, place a skillet on low heat. Add in some oil. Here I'm using olive oil. And you want to make sure you really lower the heat here. Once the oil is hot, you can go ahead and pour in the egg mixture. Here I'm using a 13-inch skillet, and I'm able to spread my egg mixture all around. We're going to cover our omelette and let it cook for exactly 8 minutes. While it's cooking, we're going to go ahead and start preparing the filling, starting by chopping some onions, garlic, and some rosemary. Now the first side of our omelette is cooked, and we need to flip it so we can cook the other side as well. And to do that, we need to make sure that nothing is stuck on the bottom. So we're just going to run a fork all around. You can also use one of these flat serving tools to make sure nothing is stuck on the bottom. Next, slide the omelette on the inside of the lid. Place the skillet on top and just flip it, like so. And let this side cook also for exactly 8 minutes, completely uncovered. While it's cooking, let's go ahead and finish up our garnish. Place another skillet on medium heat. Add in some vegan butter. Followed by our onions, garlic, and rosemary. Next, add in some chopped cremini mushrooms. Sauté them until the mushroom turns golden brown. Then go ahead and add some coconut milk. Followed by some nutritional yeast, salt and pepper, some garlic powder, and some dried herbs. Here I'm using herb de Provence. Mix everything up for another 2 minutes or so and it's ready. The omelette also is ready, and all we need to do is just put everything together. So I'm adding the creamy mushroom on just one side of the omelette. And just flipping it to close. Decorating everything with some chopped parsley. And it's ready to enjoy. Now I'm not going to tell you that this tastes exactly like an omelette. It doesn't, but then it tastes really good. You do have some eggy flavor with the nutritional yeast and the black salt. Adding in the baking powder really helped making this fluffy. It's very light, it's very savory, and the creamy mushroom just complement it so well. You can be creative with the fillings, but the recipe for the omelette is very standard. This is definitely one you need to try. It doesn't just look good, it actually tastes really good too. Alright, you know the drill. If you do try this recipe, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. If you like the video, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. And on to the next video. As always, have a blessed one.